guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie here, and I'm here with a whole new video. So for today I'm going to be doing a double cut crease. This is, I can't say inspired, this is me recreating a double cut crease from my favorite YouTuber Aaliyah J. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so a little back, I like this cut crease because it's literally the only cut crease. It was the first time I did a cut crease. I did cut creases prior to that, but this was the most dramatic cut crease I did that actually looked good on me. So yeah, because sometimes you do them like, okay, it's cute or whatever, but you're like, it doesn't look all that. But yeah, the first time I did this, I was like appalled. Like, I still have the pictures. Those are literally my favorite pictures. I think I'm gonna insert them somewhere. But yeah, so I figured I'm gonna do this for you guys, and also because I want more color and more dramatic looks on my channel. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I did my brows before. As you guys know, I like to do my brows after, but I had to do them before because this is a very messy look. So I'm going to do my eye makeup first. So first I'm just gonna put some concealer on my eyelids just so that the eyeshadow has something to hold on to. Okay, so if you guys can see, I am dragging out this concealer all the way up to my brows because this eye look is basically gonna take up most of my eyes, so I'm just dragging it up all the way there. And I'm using a very bright concealer because I will be working with some colors that for the best way for them to actually pop and look really good, aside from the fact that I am darker skinned. Of course, if you're darker skinned, you want extra popping, you do want to go with a lighter concealer. I don't do that anymore though, but for the way the look is set up in general, this is what I have to do. So yeah, next I'm gonna take my Usher's eyeshadow palette. You guys have seen this so many times on my channel, and I am gonna taking my Usher's eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna be going into this it's a dark brown reddish shade. So I'm just gonna draw sort of a shape with that, a sort of flat brush. It's not very flat, but it's kind of flat because I really want to be precise with this. So I'm just gonna go up there and draw. I'm going up above my crease and I'm drawing a shape. Now I'm gonna go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go into this orange shade. It's kind of reddish, but it's more orange. So I'm gonna go into that shade, and I'm using a kind of fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go right above that brown shade. Ooh, that is bright. That is very bright. So I'm just gonna be blending this out and moving from one thing you guys should note is you really want to work light-handed with this, because I kind of went ham with the orange shade and I forgot how pigmented this eyeshadow is. So now I have quite a lot of blending to do. But if you begin light-handed, then it's just so much easier. So like I said, I'll be going back and forth between the brownish reddish shade and this shade, just for that depth. My Nicka K Duo contour, as eyeshadow, and I use that with another brush, and I'm using that in my crease. So yeah, just below, because I don't have a darker brown shadow, so this is the darkest brown that I have. I'm using that just below the crease, and I blended that out. So now we are going to cut the crease. Take the concealer again. You can literally use any type of concealer, and I'm just gonna draw like, ooh, I'm kind of scared because it's so pretty. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm just gonna take some tape and put some like right below, just to help me out with carving out the rest, because of the nature of this eyeshadow. If you have troubles doing your eyeliner, your wing liner, then tape is a really good way to go. But yeah, I don't really have problems with it, or the eyeliner that I use is like fire, so I really don't have issues with my wing liner. But for the sake of this look, so I'm just gonna put that. I need to decide where to have that. Okay, take some eyeliner. I'm using liquid liner because I don't have gel liner, but if you have a gel, you can use that too. I'm just using that to draw out like a wing. Oh yeah, made a mistake there. So this wing that I'm gonna do is, okay, look, I'm gonna do a voiceover on this part because I can't explain and do my wing liner at the same time. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a matte black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna use it in the corner of my eye basically. So I'm just like using it to extend that eyeshadow. Go back into that first orange shade that we had, and I'm gonna go in the middle of my eye. I'm gonna put it there. This shade right here, the gold shade, and I'm just gonna put that in the corner of my eye. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty! Ooh. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my glitter liner. This is just a random glitter liner, and I'm gonna take that and put it where we put the glitter eyeshadow. So I'm just putting it all over there. So we wanted our base to be a glitter base because it just makes it look so much prettier that way. Yeah, I am done. Ooh. Then I'm gonna clean that up, and then we're gonna do the other eye, and I'm going to come right back. Ooh, that looks absolutely gorgeous. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to do the rest of my face makeup. If you want more detailed on whatever I'm doing, you can go check out my foundation routine video. But yeah,